हैव अ स्मॉल वर्ड विथ मौलाना साहब. मौलाना साहब, कैसा रहा आपका एक्सपीरियंस यहाँ पे आपने देखा मैचेस?
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, बहुत अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा। ख़ुद एक इबादत है लोगों को खुश करना। इदखालुस सुरूर फ़ी क़ुलूबिल मोमिन इबादा, लोगों के दिलों में खुशी डालना। मैं देख रहा था ऑनलाइन, 120 लोग ऑनलाइन देख रहे थे इस मैच को जब शुरू हुआ था सेमीफाइनल, और मैं रास्ते में था। फिर जब यहाँ पहुँचा तो देख के और बहुत अच्छा लगा। बहुत अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा। इंशाअल्लाह कि इसी तरीके से खुशी के असबाब फराहम, और इंशाअल्लाह हम लोग अपनी इबादतों से खुदा को खुश करें, और इंशाअल्लाह सबसे अल्लाह भी राज़ी हो, इंशाअल्लाह ज़माने का इमाम भी राज़ी हो। बहुत अच्छा, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह।
आमीन. थैंक यू मौलाना साहब.
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामु अलल हुसैन वला अली इब्निल हुसैन वला औलादिल हुसैन वला अस्हाबिल हुसैन बर मोहम्मद व आले मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु
अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला मुहम्मद व आले मुहम्मद।
मौलाना साहब और मेरे एल्डर्स स्कॉलर्स हु आर प्रेजेंट हियर, ये कारवां हमने स्टार्ट किया। अभी जस्ट तनवीर भाई से मैं बात कर रहा था, ज़िशान, मैं, काजिम, तनवीर भाई, हम लोगों ने एक छोटी सी कोशिश चालू की थी। सिटी मॉल के ऊपर हम फर्स्ट टूर्नामेंट ऑर्गेनाइज़ किए थे, एंड दैट वाज अराउंड 2013 के आसपास। और माशाल्लाह इट्स बीन अबाउट 10 years नाउ दैट वी ऑल हैव बीन प्लेइंग टुगेदर। And see, very important it is for us to be connected to one and another as a community, because that is where the growth of the community comes. These are the places where we learn the lessons of patience, brotherhood, unity with perseverance. And you guys have been phenomenal in displaying this all over the years. My many congratulations to one and all, mashallah. And you all see, for me, happiness is what you know. Tanvir Bhai Patel is my first cousin, as every Khoja is, second, third related to each other. But where would I have got an opportunity in this busy life to get connected with four sons of Tanvir Bhai? Today, mashallah, Zishan, Zaki, uh, Zaid, okay. अभी जैद तो थोड़ा बॉडी बिल्डर हो गया, तो आई वाज लाइक सरप्राइज टू सी यू टुडे. बट सी, आई हैव नॉट मेट हिम फॉर 6 months or maybe 8 months or a year, but this is the place where I meet him. And most of us today, my Sahil is known to everybody, you all are known to me. So this is what this field brings to all of us. As a community, we need to work together, we need to be attached to each other. This networking का जो सिलसिला है ये चलता रहना चाहिए. My accolades, I just take 2 minutes more. My accolades to the organizing team, Zishan, Kazim, Akhil, one and all, the brigade room, mashallah, from UK, from Kigali, from Dubai, everywhere, mashallah. Even I received a message from FED Vice President, okay, they were all watching online, and they were surprised with the quality. Dr. Anwar Dhanji from UK, he messaged me and said, okay, the level of broadcast that I see here, it is as good as IPL. So guys, big salute to all of you, Z, Kazim, Akhil, all of you all to have delivered this, mashallah. And may you progress more and more, and let us not be restricted only to cricket. Now the second, what I have to request you is, let's get with football, let's get with badminton, let's get with table tennis, and in a year, at least this sort of tournaments, with all the permission of my sponsors, Labaik Ekdam, first class, then Vijay, at least we have 3 to 4 such tournaments, inshallah. And not at those other venues, but this venue, inshallah. Yeah. So thank you very much for all of you to be here with us, and really, in good numbers you all have been here. This is a good source of inspiration for the younger generation, and that's how we all connect with each other. Jazakallah khair. Thank you very much. Jazakallah. Yeah. One more thing I would like to say. Can I just see that trophy? मौलाना साहब, अगर आप इसको गौर से देखेंगे ट्रॉफी को, सो दिस इज लाइक one, two hands together, two hands together, two hands together, and two hands together. That's how this four hands together brings about Unity Cup, and that's all about KSI Jamaat Mumbai, mashallah. So that's the theme of this cup, and this is the way Team Vision has designed it, alhamdulillah. Jazak